Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. If you're new here, welcome. Alright guys, shifting 6-speed. We know I had transmission troubles and whatnot. I got it taken care of good enough to get to the track. Kind of mentioned that already to you guys. Here, I'll go ahead and show you a little shifting deal. Not hard throttle, but you know, just something. This guy wants to run it. Alright, so a little harder. So this guy right here was thinking he could stay next to me, but he can't. Alright. There we go. Not bad. Try again. Yeah, it's doing good. I'm in two-wheel drive, so I don't really want to throttle all really super hard. Just spin out and get crazy. Alright, we got a truck coming out. We gotta slow down a little bit. Alright, take off again. Pull through this fourth. Got enough power to just get it. No check engine light for a transmission. Good deal. It likes to cruise in 6, especially after 50 miles an hour. No issues there. Sounds really good. It's really, really windy outside right now. But you can hear the truck real nice and good still. Oh yeah, road's opened up a little bit for me. Still not gonna get crazy. I gotta get more responsible, guys. I do. Being irresponsible with deals like this is just not good. It ends up being way too expensive. Alright, so yeah, truck's driving. Oh, it's beautiful. Deal. I should get you guys a little even harder acceleration. Just not while we're rolling. I guess we can kick it down manually. Do that. Yeah, I don't really like doing that much. Not that fun to me. Alright. That's a little messing around. Truck does the best from a dead stop. The best. Handles the best, does the best from a dead stop. Alrighty, fellas and fellettes. I just wanted to show you a little, you know, cruising vid, how the truck's acting right now. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna try to get out to the track, have some fun. Hopefully I run a 12. If not, I'll be kind of disappointed, but just have to work it there. If I don't hit a 12, boy, I have to be doggone close. I'll tell you that right now. I have to be really close. Really close. All right. I guess I'll end it there. Temps, not bad. Pressure's not bad. Everything's not bad. I don't have tire sensors. I have the little tires on right now because I want to race. yeah.